Welcome to this tutorial on Firestore, Google Cloud Platform's NoSQL document database. Firestore is a powerful and flexible database solution that's part of the GCP databases family. In this video, we'll explore what makes Firestore unique and how it can benefit your applications. Firestore is a flexible, scalable NoSQL cloud database designed for mobile, web, and server development. It's an integral part of the Firebase ecosystem and Google Cloud Platform. As a fully managed serverless database, you don't need to worry about infrastructure or scaling. Firestore provides real-time synchronization, meaning changes to your data are instantly reflected across all connected clients. Plus, it's built to scale globally, handling applications of any size with ease. Understanding Firestore's data model is crucial. The hierarchy consists of three main levels. First, we have collections, which are containers that organize your documents. Think of them like folders. Second, documents are individual records within collections that contain your actual data. Finally, fields are the key value pairs inside documents that store the actual information. This hierarchical structure makes it easy to organize and retrieve your data efficiently. Let's look at a practical example. Here we have a collection called Users, and within it, a document identified as User123. This document contains fields like name set to Alice, email as alice@example.com, age as 28, and active status as true. Notice how each document can have different types of data, making Firestore extremely flexible for various use cases. Firestore comes packed with powerful features. Real-time updates provide live data synchronization across all connected clients, perfect for collaborative applications. Offline support ensures your app works even without internet connectivity, with data persisting locally and syncing automatically when connection returns. You can perform powerful queries with complex filtering, sorting, and compound operations. Security rules give you fine-grained access control at the document level, ensuring your data stays protected. Firestore supports 9 different data types to cover all your needs. String for text like Hello World, number for integers and decimals like 42 or 3.14, Boolean for true or false values, map for nested objects with key value pairs, array for ordered lists, timestamp for storing date and time information, geopoint for latitude and longitude coordinates, reference for pointing to other documents, and null for representing empty or missing values. This variety ensures you can structure your data exactly as needed. Subcollections allow you to nest collections within documents for hierarchical data organization. For example, you might have a users collection, then within a specific user document like User123, you can have an orders subcollection. Inside that subcollection, individual order documents like Order456 can contain fields such as product laptop, amount 1200, and status shipped. This nested structure is perfect for organizing related data while keeping your database clean and logical. Firestore excels in various scenarios. Chat applications benefit from real-time messaging with live updates for instant communication. Mobile apps leverage offline-first capabilities with automatic sync functionality. E-commerce platforms use Firestore for product catalogs and user profiles due to its flexible schema. Gaming applications store player data and maintain leaderboards with real-time updates. These are just a few examples of how Firestore's features make it ideal for modern, scalable applications. Thank you for watching this introduction to Firestore.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.